In today's digital era, the art of content writing has evolved far beyond simply crafting compelling articles. Writers must now tailor their content to fit the distinct styles, formats, and audiences of various digital platforms. Each platform has its own unique characteristics, user expectations, and algorithms that influence how content is consumed and shared. This guide will delve into how to write effectively for different digital platforms, ensuring your content not only reaches your audience, but resonates with them. Understanding the platforms. Before diving into specific writing strategies, it's essential to understand the nature of the platforms you're writing for. Broadly, digital platforms can be categorized into social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, and TikTok, websites and blogs, content designed for search engine optimization, SEO, and in-depth reader engagement, email newsletters, marketing emails, and transactional communication, video platforms, YouTube, Vimeo, and video-centric content on social media, e-commerce, product descriptions, user reviews, and category pages. Each platform has unique demands, so adapting your writing style and format is crucial. Writing for social media platforms. Social media thrives on brevity, engagement, and shareability. Each platform has its unique quirks. One, Facebook, tone conversational yet professional depending on your audience. Length posts should be concise, but detailed enough to provide value. 40 to 80 characters for maximum engagement. Best practices. Use questions or compelling statements to spark curiosity. Incorporate emojis to make posts visually appealing. Include a clear call to action such as learn more or shop now. Leverage visuals like images or videos as they outperform text-only posts. 2. Instagram. Tone visual storytelling with a casual and engaging voice. Length captions can be up to 2,200 characters, but the first 2 lines are crucial to grab attention. Best practices. Use hashtags strategically around 9 to 15 per post. Add a call to action such as tap the link in bio or comment below. Break captions into shorter paragraphs for readability. Incorporate user-generated content and stories for authenticity. 3. Twitter X. Tone witty, concise, and impactful. Length 280 characters. Those shorter tweets, 50 to 100 characters, often perform better. Best practices. Use trending hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with followers through replies, polls, and retweets. Post breaking news or quick updates in real time. 4. LinkedIn. Tone professional and authoritative with a personal touch. Length posts should be 50 to 100 words. Articles can be up to 2,000 words. Best practices. Share industry insights, personal success stories, or professional tips. Avoid overly salesy language. Focus on adding value. Use bullet points or numbered lists for easy reading. 5. TikTok. Tone. Fun, creative, and trend-focused. Length. Accompany your short videos with engaging captions up to 150 characters. Best practices. Leverage trending sounds and hashtags. Add calls to action like follow for more or drop a like if you agree. Keep captions brief and to the point, complementing the video content. Writing for websites and blogs. Websites and blogs demand a blend of creativity, structure, and optimization. The goal is to provide valuable evergreen content that ranks high on search engines. 1. SEO optimization. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword, Planner, or Ahrefs. Title and meta description. Create compelling titles, 50 to 60 characters, and meta descriptions, 150 to 160 characters, that include primary keywords. Formatting. Use headings H1, H2, H3, bullet points, and short paragraphs for readability. 2. Tone and style. Align your tone with your brand's voice, professional, casual, or somewhere in between. Write in a conversational style to keep readers engaged. Use storytelling to make your content memorable. 3. Best practices. Write long-form content, 1,500 plus words for in-depth topics. Include internal and external links for credibility and better SEO. End with actionable insights or calls to action to encourage further interaction. Writing for email marketing. Emails are a powerful tool for personalized communication and lead generation. Whether you're drafting a newsletter or a sales email, clarity and relevance are key. First, let's talk about subject lines. Keep them under 50 characters for better open rates. Use personalization, urgency, or curiosity. For example, you're invited or don't miss out. Next, consider the tone of your email. Tailor your tone based on the email type. Friendly for newsletters, persuasive for promotional emails, and formal for transactional emails. Now, onto some best practices. Keep the body concise and scannable. Use a clear call to action such as read more, subscribe now, or claim your offer. And don't forget to segment your email lists for targeted messaging. Writing for video platforms like YouTube or TikTok involves creating scripts that are engaging, informative, and optimized for the platform's format. YouTube include primary keywords and craft click-worthy titles, ideally 60 characters or fewer. Hook viewers within the first 5 to 10 seconds. Use a conversational tone and short sentences. Structure scripts with an introduction, body, and call to action. Short-form video content. Focus on delivering one key message in under 60 seconds. Add captions to improve accessibility and retention. Incorporate trending phrases, challenges, or themes. E-commerce writing is all about driving conversions through concise and compelling product descriptions. Product descriptions highlight benefits over features, for example. Enjoy a restful sleep instead of made with memory foam. Use sensory language to evoke emotions like luxurious, soft fabric. Incorporate power words such as exclusive, guaranteed, and premium. Category pages. Write concise summaries that capture the essence of the products. Use keywords strategically to enhance SEO. User reviews. Encourage customers to write detailed reviews. Highlight testimonials in marketing materials for social proof. Know your audience. Tailor your tone, style, and content to your target audience's preferences. Be consistent. Maintain a consistent voice across platforms to strengthen brand identity. Focus on visuals. Pair strong visuals with your writing to maximize engagement. Analyze and adapt. Use analytics tools to track performance and adjust your strategies. Stay updated. Keep up with platform trends and algorithm changes. Mastering the art of writing for different digital platforms is a crucial skill for any modern content creator. By understanding the unique characteristics and expectations of each platform, you can craft content that not only engages your audience, but also achieves your business or personal goals. Whether you're writing a catchy Instagram caption, an SEO-optimized blog post, or a persuasive email, the key lies in knowing your platform, your audience, and your message. With practice and adaptability, your writing can stand out in today's competitive digital landscape. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.